Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified of each new upload. Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. And this right here is a pretty cool little nesting box that I got from hengear.com. I'd just like to say thank you for those guys sending this out for me to take a look at. As you guys know, we've got 13 hens and 1 rooster, and I previously built a nesting box, kind of a traditional wood style nesting box. It was pretty easy to put together. One of the problems we've had though is we have had several cracked eggs, and what ends up happening, even though we put straw and stuff up in the nesting boxes for them, they kind of clear it to the sides, and then when they drop their eggs, it just ends up dropping on the bare wood. So the hen gear, the nesting box actually has a way to solve that. And this is a pretty cool little deal. I'll throw a time-lapse video in here of me putting it together. It really didn't take that long, probably about an hour or so. And that was kind of just putzing around with it. You could probably do it faster if you were, really trying to. Instructions were fairly easy to follow. It wasn't that bad, but the basic idea is that the hens will come in here to lay their eggs in here, and it has this area in here. It has a mat. Let me pull this out. Almost looks like an AstroTurf or something like that. Let's see if you guys can see that. And so the eggs will drop on that, and then it's on a little bit of a slope, so the eggs roll down here into the collection box, and then you can just pick them up out of the collection box. This also keeps them safe, or at least safer from varmints and stuff if they were to get in there and try to eat your eggs or whatever. But and then it's got this bar that goes down over them. The hens hop up on here and then they'll hop down in there. And with this bar, if your hens try to nest in the box at night, you can leave this up and that'll keep them from getting in there. So that's kind of cool. And then basically you just find a place to hang this, probably just a couple of lag bolts into a 2x4 or whatever, and you can hang this on pretty much any solid surface. They recommend mounting this about 2 to 3 feet off of the ground, and I'll probably do it somewhere in the middle there, maybe 30 inches or something like that. And then one of these, if I remember correctly, this is I think it's supposed to take care of up to 14 hens, if I remember right. Maybe it was 12. I can't remember. But anyhow, we're gonna put this out here in the chicken coop and see how it does, and we'll definitely let you guys see the results of that. So go ahead and take a look at this time lapse here real quick. This is just, again, me putting this thing together, and then we'll show you what it looks like out in the chicken coop. Alright, we've got some bread here, and we're putting pieces up on top of the new little nesting box. See if I can get them kind of lured up there. Give them a little space maybe. Mr. Rooster gets a little protective of his girls. Go on, girl. One's gonna try. See if I can. I don't think I can do this with the camera here. Alright, so I got one up there. It's not too dark to see. And I just had to set her up there basically. And I'm hoping that's enough to get her to at least be comfortable up there. Maybe she'll show the others. Who knows? It's the next morning, and it looks like they are using the box. We've got a hen in there now, so that's good. At least they're getting in there. And we'll just have to see if there's any eggs in there. Kind of put some straw down in there. Doesn't look like we've got any eggs yet. I'm going to need to take that straw out to make it work okay. That's cool. I'm glad they're getting up in there. As I was standing here, I was just putting my phone away. She dropped an egg right there. Well, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, we got another one up there. There we go. So it's pretty instinctual for them after all, and I didn't have to tape up those little flaps. So that's cool. All right, everybody. So that is just a quick look at the assembly, kind of a time lapse through the assembly, and installing the hen gear nesting box. And you guys go over to hengear.com, check them out. They've got multiple different sizes for the different number of chickens that you have. I'll say that the installation and the assembly was pretty easy. It wasn't that bad at all, really. And we'll see how it works. I mean, I'll give you guys an update video a little later on to let you know kind of how it goes, how it's working, all that kind of stuff. I did put a little bit of straw in there as a temporary measure. We'll be able to take that out once they get used to laying in there. And then I'm also going to tape up the flaps so that they can see inside there a little bit better also. Just in the beginning, just to get them used to it. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, guys, as always, I definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to live the 6 Ps. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.